Hey everyone, welcome back. This is V. I am back today with another video. The video that I am going to do today, I am still in the Mcgrath Celestial Divinity eyeshadow palette. Our color today is number 9. It is a purple color and it is pretty. It's not a shimmer, it's like a foil. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna come closer so you can see. This is our 9th color today from that palette. In today's eyeshadow look, I am going to use the 9th color and I am going to show you how to wear one color eyeshadow 2 different ways. So I'm going to do one eye one way and another eye the other way so you can see how you can wear one color eyeshadow 2 different ways. So different ways to wear one color eyeshadow. This Mcgrath, I'm telling you, this Mcgrath, this is the color. I am putting this one color on my lid. This is eye number 1. So you can use a single eyeshadow color just like this. And I will show you how we finish that eye. Now we can do this eye a different way. Now the second eye. This eye we are going above the crease and we are going to blow that color up into the brow bone. So now I have one color eyeshadow on each eye, but I'm wearing it 2 different ways. So for the first eye that has only on the lid and a little in the crease, I'm going to use face powder and a fluffy brush to finish the rest. So what I do, I take the powder and I go like this on my eye. Because I want to smooth the edges, but I also want the rest of my eye to look like my skin. I pinch my brush like this so I can get right in the corner. Then I just go and fluff around the edges so it's not too harsh. This is my one color eyeshadow. Okay, so this is what this one is looking like with the powder. So I just took face powder and just play around the edges to smooth it. And if you lose the color, you just go back in and take your color and apply it back on the lid. But this is one way you can wear your one color eyeshadow. Now for the other eye. So now I'll go back in my powder with that same fluffy brush. And you can stamp it on first, or you can do the sweeping motion. It depends what you want to do. It's your preference. Because I'm smoothing the edges. And then you can fix. Making sure you can see. I can bring this one a little further up, so I'll do that. Okay, much better for me. And always remember, work with your eye shape. One color eyeshadow works on all eyes, all. You don't have to go high, you can do the lower one and it will still work for you. So one color eyeshadow you do this way, or one color eyeshadow you do this way. And again, you can use your powder to smooth the edges, or you can use another eyeshadow color to do it. But I just want to do both sides with powder so you can see. So if I do a different color eyeshadow here, it might look like it's different, so I use the powder to do both sides. So hopefully that is helpful to you. I'll finish up the look so you can see what it looks like together with the rest of your makeup. What the color is in the pan, this is the purple that we're using today. I am back, cleaned up the eyes. I put black eyeliner very close to the lids, no false lashes, because we're keeping it simple so you can see what I'm talking about. One color eyeshadow you can wear two different ways, this way or this way. You pick and wear it and rock it. This is it. This is today's eye look. In one of my shopping hauls, I mentioned the LA Girl Perfect Precision Eye Pencil, which is this one. Usually I use the Urban Decay 24/7, which I love because when I put it in my waterline, It doesn't make my eye run or anything. But they are pricey. Those are about $22 to $24, I think, between $22 and $24 each. So I did not repurchase that, which I do want to repurchase when they have a sale. I wanted to try the LA Go, and so far this is what I have in my water. I have it in my top lashes and in my waterline, and it doesn't bother me at all. And that was like $6.99, I think, either $5.99 or $6.99 for this compared to this. I mean, I love this, but the price on this, and it's not bothering my eyes so far, is fabulous. This is it. I kept it simple. No eyelashes, brows regular, blush, lipstick, and the queen of the show. Wow. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. Self is important. Please check out my playlist on hair care, exercise, and makeup. Makeup is supposed to be fun. Have fun with your palettes. Nothing is perfect in makeup. If you're home playing with your makeup, keep playing. You'll get better and better every day. So I will see you in another video, and this is color number 9, and we have 9 more to go. It's 18 in the palette. Mcgrath Celestial Divinity, and this is the purple. Oh, the purple name is, let us see, I can't miss that. The name of the purple is called Fuchsia Shock. Fuchsia Shock. That's the name. Again, I hope you're enjoying my videos. If you are, please give me a like. Please share me with somebody else. And if you think this is a channel that you'd like to see videos from, you can go ahead and hit that subscribe button. When that button is hit, then you'll see that gray bell. Hit that bell that say all, and everything that I do upload, you will receive from YouTube. I appreciate you viewing, I appreciate you subscribing, and again, I will see you soon. Bye! Bye, bye, bye. One color eyeshadow to wear 2 different ways. Pick which one. You can wear one day, one the other day. This color is like fabulous. Take a look at this color. This color is gorgeous, isn't it? I mean, both eyes. Right? Beautiful, fabulous. Rock your bad self, baby. Rock your bad self. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.